Indian Consulate organized an event to promote Kashmir in the field of trade and commerce. And the main focus was Kashmir's saffron. Kashmir has a long history of producing saffron, and there are some historical interesting references. But presently, looking at the trade promotion, how this virtual event would help, the time would tell. But it was a very powerful beginning by Indian Consul General in the presence of members of Kashmiri community as well as celebrity chef Hemant Mathur. Take a look.
We are hosting this trade promotion event centered on saffron in collaboration with Jammu and Kashmir Trade Promotion Organization and the Department of Commerce and Industries of the Jammu and Kashmir government. There is a lot of history which is open for interpretation. But whether it is a spice or a herb, that aside, saffron has added so much of value, color, energy, vitality, vibrancy to our culinary delights in India and elsewhere in the world. And not just that, it has added value to our health, to medicine, and to our arts. On the history of saffron, we have a speaker here who will tell us more about where it came from, how it came to India, how it traveled to other parts of the world. But today, here our focus is that we want to get more of Indian saffron to the US market. Kashmiri saffron is known in the US market. US market, saffron market is substantial, and we want to get the best of Indian saffron to the US market for the consumers here, for the delight here. India happens to be one of the leading producers of saffron and also a consumer of saffron. On the export side, we are doing well, but we can do much better. And while we promote saffron trade from India, our idea is to add value to those farmers, peasants in and around Srinagar and elsewhere in India, so that we also take care of their well-being and their incomes. Recently in India, we have focused to promote our agricultural exports. We've also taken some very transformative steps to give a push to open our food processing sector. There will be people here participating from that segment, and I invite you to look at the opportunities that Indian food processing sector offers.
In the last 10 years, I visited 3 times during the harvest time of saffron, from sowing to actually farming and to harvesting. And I stayed longer understanding that why our saffron doesn't reach the world. The process is also that many of the people who are doing this is family run, and they've not improvised on the way they dry the saffron. There's a lot of manpower which goes into plucking it. And when I was buying saffron from there, they'll wrap it in just a newspaper. And I went to Dubai right after that, and I saw that our saffron was at par to the saffron which grows in Iran, but the way the Iranian saffron was branded and packaged, and they were charging almost 20 times the price. So that is what kept me going back and back, because it's a part of my PhD about understanding the pollination of spices. But this was very heartbreaking for me, that having a quality in Pampore where everything was actually nature's gift. I think 3 years ago, with the whole storm and everything, they had a big interruption of farming of saffron. And saffron is absolutely magical in those valleys. But, I'm seeing it what saffron is being done in Spain. They actually have tourism around saffron. Entire things are based on tourism packages. Even in Iran, they have so much of marketing which goes from the government to talk about this amazing like spice, which only grows in few pockets of the world.
Thank you for Indian Council General of India and Kashmiri Board to talk about Kashmiri saffron. Kashmiri saffron, when we were cooking in India, we always think Kashmiri saffron is very expensive to use in Indian cuisine. When I come here and when they told us to use Kashmiri saffron, and we use today also, it's making some culinary delights and use Kashmiri saffron only, and see the flavors of comparison of Spain and Indian. So Kashmiri saffron has a lot of flavors and aromatics. So now I'm just promoting Kashmiri saffron to use my all restaurants in food. Kashmiri this saffron is actually is a very important spice also in cuisine, and how to use techniques is very important. How you roast and how you use in like liquid stiva. So I'm using Kashmiri saffron now, everyone, and thank you.